Welcome back, guys. CryptoFollow channel. Today we'd like to talk about a Berachain. I think if you're not new on this channel, you already know what you will see in the next few minutes. So let's dive in. Guys, if you're not new on this channel, you understand we work after listing some token with indentation accumulation pump model. And Berachain already start playing out that model exactly after listing. So we got a pretty good dump in just a few hours. Take a look after listing, this token down 54%. Amazing, amazing listing, amazing phenomenal project. The great listing on the Binance, and it's a Binance listing, you know. Previously in the previous cycle, so some token listed on the Binance was like a great time, great opportunity, you know. So the token can move higher. So it was the sign of the good opportunity to buy the token and invest in it and wait at the good returns because it was on a Binance. Now the Binance, when I see the token will list or already listed on the Binance, I totally understand where I can see that token in the next few weeks. And guys, I posted in the news channel, so around 25 tokens, only in 2025, after listing on the Binance, dump it in average like minus 85%. Only in 2025, guys, only 1 month, like we live in 2025. And it's crazy. It's crazy because this industry looks like just simple money laundry. So they list millions, just millions random project, no matter it's a utility, meme token, no matter, just with one main purpose, just dumping it. Dump on retails after listing. So it's kind of weird. So I double check the listing prices on different exchanges, like always the OKEX, they are like $4 listing. So listing, I mean lowest point. KuCoin, Gate.io, I guess 50 cents. Binance $1. Bybit $1. And so here we got analyze the two charts. The Binance $1 listing price. This is a high was 1550, and BitGet, I don't know why, but BitGet always at least at the lowest point. I don't know why. Maybe the BitGet lists a more fair listing price, but highest point on the BitGet was $15, and it's kind of weird, right? How exactly this token stop it at $15 round number? Why not 1501? How would it be possible? So it's for all guys who think we trade against each other. We trade against the bots. So guys, imagine just a million people around the world trade assets whole year, 24/7, right? And million orders to buy and sell. And exactly, the token stop at 15,000. It's not even possible. So that's why it means at that level, there was that amount of orders from market makers and some big guys, you know. So their bot, their soft stop at the price exactly at round number. So, all right, I want to show you the bad case scenario, like, you know, the invalidation of this idea if the token dump on the listing price. So you can choose which exchange to analyze. On BitGet, it's more hopium. On the Binance, it's less hopium. So take a look at the reaction at the first level. It's a zone of interest, but take a look. The zone of interest on a Binance start at $6.84, $5.46. So it means you can buy here. So this is the next zone to buy, 350, 263. But on BitGet, it's totally different one. So it's 620, 475, 268, 177. Invalidation if we dump lower than the listing price. So up to you where to accumulate, up to your own risk, guys, because at this current moment, we can't know where exactly the market makers will stop this token based on their soft and their bots. So just in case, you can open just the charts with absolutely the same one, this model. Highly recommend you go and watch the education video and understand how the market makers works and why these levels are relevant. Because the FIB, it works all the time, you know, and if we use that FIB custom one, we can identify the levels, you know. So This is like a cheat code for the market makers soft. Got it. So here's a reaction exactly at, take a look why we stop at it here. Why we stop it at $6.78. Why? So it's not a random number, right? It's just in the air. But we stop it here because it's a test of 5 level. So this is how it works. You know, on the BitGet, the 0.5 level by FIP will be at $6.20 and $4.75. That's why it's always individual, depends of exchanges, because exchanges got a different market makers, right? Different liquidity. That's why some tokens stop it at some level, on another exchange it's another level. You know, it depends of listing price and the highest point. Got it. So Binance chart, you know. So let's go to and analyze on a BitGet, so it's more hopium, you know, for you. Where to fix profit? Fix profit after initiation accumulation pump model. For example, this, let's imagine we stop it here. To fix profit, you need at this block. So it's 1457, 1568. Can it be the end of cycle for this token? In theory, yes, but at this area, most likely you need just withdraw initial deposit. Right, and wait, the new all-time high, crazy apheria, crazy hopium, and all of that stuff. But guys, highly recommend you go and check the vesting schedule, understand the logic of that token, the funds, entries, and the market cap and FDV. So work with that data. I showed you just the technical side. We're more than okay, up to your own risk, buy this token for speculation. So here from the good entry will be in average like 200% gain, so you should withdraw initial deposit, leave free tokens. From the best entry, it can be like 773. On StarkNet example, yesterday I explained it what to do if the token drop on the listing price. So I highly recommend you go and check that explanation, long read post. So this is a zone of interest, guys, and this is a zone of fixation. Yes, I think if we will see a crazy altcoin season, you know, some liquidity will inflow into alts, even the Berachain will pump to new all-time high. So that's it, guys. But at the end, most likely in the next bear market, we will drop under $1, I guess. What will else do now with this token on just lower time frames? Of course, the main idea is to track on a 4 time frame, 12 time frame, daily time frame, that data. But we work only with current chart, what we get now at this current moment. So here, this is accumulation. Yes, so the best case scenario, if we will drop to the zone of interest, you know, and the form of the awareness is going to be the bullish signal. Targets, I think, yes, I think we will see the new all-time high, but a matter of time. This is a distribution because people dump their bags of allocation from the airdrop. Got us a 15-minute time frame. So this, we trade in the middle, so you can see how we stuck in a range, but I think we can dump lower. So direction without any signals to buy or accumulation. Market mood I showed you. Take a look. Market mood also on 15-minute time frame. So this here, this is apheria. This is the disbelief. Some tiny bounce, drop to hopium. Disbelief, tiny bounce, hopium. This here, this one, disbelief. Disbelief and capitulation. Here, MACD bullish divergence, MACD bullish divergence, RSI bullish divergence, capitulation gray color. Here, like 6% pump. But guys, it's 15-minute time frame, so you know it's more for a scalp. So of course you can't trade only by signals. It's just additional tool to work with. Money power, guys, take a look at the 15-minute time frame. Here was the money inflow, bounce, money outflow, drop, RSI. Bullish divergences. So yes, we get all chances to pump, for example, to 945. So all levels you can track now, but where exactly this token will stop, we can't know, because the high time frame, the strongest signal and the data. Money power, we under middle line, so it's not a like crazy seller pressure, but no money inflow, no money outflow, nothing. Got it. Trade on 1 hour time frame, it was signal to buy, so 7% pump. You could see 30-minute time frame. Take a look. No data. 15-minute time frame. No data. 5-minute time frame is for scalp. Of course, it's scalp. So drop, buy, bounce, buy, 2 in a row. Recommendation close position. Recommendation close position. Recommendation close position. Take profit. This one signal. Sell. Drop. and accumulation back, some buy signal, and recommendation close position. So this is it, guys. And the last indicator is take profit. Take profit on, let's check maybe on a 1 hour time frame. Unfortunately, no data on 1 hour time frame. 30 minutes time frame, no data. 15 minute time frame, still no data. All right, so take a look at the 5 minute time frame. So the buy line on daily, on 5 minute time frame on a Berachain on a BitGet is $5.09 and $3.83. Got it. And take profit 10.14. Exit line 11.47. Guys, I repeat, in most cases, you know, after the Binance listing, the token will dump like 80 or 86, 88%. So it can be here. Magic, right? From the top, we can stop around here. And most likely, it took some time. So guys, don't be trapped and start use DCA strategy only in zone of interest, up to your own risk with the proper size of money. So guys, I hope you like this video. If you want to trade with my customer service, what I showed in this video, just write me DM, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button, don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.